Hello, hi children, welcome to Nayak Academy. In my previous session, we have discussed similar figures, congruent figures, similarity of triangles and congruency of triangles. With this concept, we are going to solve exercise problems. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the brackets. All circles are dash, congruent or similar we have to write. So what do you mean by congruent? Same shape and same size. So two circles, so it may have different radii. This is maybe 2 centimeter and this circle have different radius 3 centimeter and so on. So they cannot be congruent. Congruent circles means same shape and same radius. It cannot be congruent. So all circles are similar. Second question, all squares are, here also, all the squares are, sides of the squares are different, isn't it? So one square of side 2 centimeter, another square of side 3 centimeter and so on. So they cannot be congruent, they are similar. All the squares are similar. Coming to the third question, all dash triangles are similar, isosceles or equilateral. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? In a triangle, any two sides of a triangle are equal. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? In a triangle, all the three sides are equal. And isosceles triangle cannot be similar because corresponding sides are not in proportion. But answer is equilateral triangle, corresponding angles are also equal and corresponding sides are also in the same ratio. So answer is equilateral triangles. Coming to the fourth question, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. This definition already we have learned, and their corresponding sides are proportional. Coming to the second question, give two different examples of pair of similar figures and non-similar figures. Let us write two different examples for pair of similar figures. So let me write similar figures. What do you mean by similar figures? Figures having same shape and same size. So let me write a pair of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Let me draw two equilateral triangles of side 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. 2 centimeter. This equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? In a triangle, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So it is an equilateral triangle of 2 centimeter. Another equilateral triangle. Let me draw of side 4 centimeter. Angles are equal. Each angle is 60 degree. Here also 60 degree, 60 degree. And these sides are, all sides are equal, 4 centimeter. Even this side also you should write 4 centimeter. Next, one more example. Let me write it as B. A pair of square. A pair of square. This is a square of side 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and this is a square A, B, C, D, and another square, let me write it as D, E, F, G. So this is 4 centimeter square. And all the angles are 90 degree itself. These are the two examples for similar figures. Non-similar figures, you can draw any non-similar figures. Let me draw one circle and one triangle, or one square with one rectangle. B, C. Coming to the third main, state whether the following quadrilaterals similar or not. Two quadrilaterals are given, SRQP and DCBA. Now we have to check whether these two quadrilaterals are similar or not. Now how will you check, children? When you can say that two polygons are similar, if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and one more condition, their corresponding angles are equal. Let us check corresponding sides are whether they are in proportion or not. SR, corresponding side of SR is DC. SR is 1.5 divided by DC, it is 3 centimeter. 1.5 ones are 1.5 twos are. So ratio is half. Similarly, you check here RQ divided by CB. 1.5 divided by 3. Yes, it is also the ratio also it is 1.1 by 2. Now you check PQ by AB. 1.5 divided by 3. You will get half. Again SP divided by DA, even here also you will be getting 1 by 2 itself. So what is your conclusion? Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. But second condition, corresponding angles are equal. Let us check whether corresponding angles are equal or not. Angle D, it should be equal to angle S. See here it is 90 degree, but you will not get 90 degree in S. By looking at the diagram itself, you can say. Now here it is less than 90 degree. Angle Q is greater than 90 degree. Angle R is less than 90 degree. Angle S is greater than 90 degree. So angles are not, corresponding angles are not equal. So what is your conclusion? These two quadrilaterals are not similar. Let me write the conclusion. Hence, corresponding angles are not equal. Hence the corresponding angles are not equal. Quadrilateral SRPQ is not similar to quadrilateral DCAB. With this problem, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us start theorems of triangles. If you like our video, please press like button and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.